Hey everybody, welcome back to Vedic Sage. I'm Dr. Dhaliwal, and today we're going to be talking about how taste affect the body and mind of the individual from an Ayurvedic perspective. And today we're going to focus on salt, and from an Ayurvedic perspective, we know that salt is derived from two primary elements, fire and water, which condenses down and is perceived on the side of the tongue. And this taste of salt has the qualities of moisture, heat, and a sense of heaviness, which ultimately influences the doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha. For example, salt decreases vata, however, increases both pitta and kapha dosha. And because of these changes or dynamic changes of the doshas, this plays out within the body and mind of the individual. So it's interesting to note that there's different sources of salt within our diet. For example, one can have rock salt, sea salt, black salt, and even pink salt. Interestingly, it's thought that rock salt is the best salt to consume because it's high in minerals and thought not to cause that typical salt retention or water retention that comes with increased salt intake. So this video, I really wanted to stress the quantity or the quantitative effects of salt versus the qualitative effects that take place within vata, pitta, and kapha. For example, small quantity of salt is thought to stimulate appetite or digestion by increasing that agni or digestive fire that's within the gastrointestinal tract. However, as the salt consumption increases or too much salt can actually aggravate the stomach area or the gastric lining, which can lead to increased stomach acidity and ultimately can lead to a peptic ulcer. Likewise, it's thought that with increased salt intake, this salt intake increases water retention, which increases blood volume and ultimately can lead to high blood pressure, known as hypertension. And as mentioned before, we know that salt generally decreases vata and increases both pitta and kapha dosha. So therefore, vata individuals would benefit most from the salt consumption, and this would help to stimulate that variable or erratic digestion that's commonly associated with vata individuals, and that digestion from a Ayurvedic perspective is considered Vishama Agni. In the same manner, salt will help to increase the moisture and help to oppose the dry qualities of vata, so therefore salt will help with digestion, increase moisture to the skin, and even help to stabilize the central nervous system of the vata individual. So once again, this was just a quick and brief video opening up and introducing the concept and notion of how taste can influence the doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha, and how these dynamic changes of doshas can influence the body and mind of the individual. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, take care.